This is Chris Powell reporting from downtown Morristown. We've heard reports of people in the East High area. At least 3 people initially had this virus, and now everyone within the city block has it. Symptoms include external bleeding, dizziness, nausea, and cough. If you feel these sort of symptoms, please seek immediate medical assistance or just stay home.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah, I think that sounded good.
Okay, good. Why did this happen? I don't trust happiness. I never did. I never will. I think this place will do.
This is not a 5-star hotel.
Well, I mean, it's better than anything around here.
Well, how are we gonna get in there, genius?
Maybe
What?
if we did less blabbling and more looking, we would know.
Hey guys, it's open. We can head on in.
Oh, okay.
Somebody gets it.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Come on.
Can you make it through?
I'll be fine.
I'm telling you, you should have ditched that thing.
Definitely.
No.
Whoa, it's kind of nice. You know, for the end of the world.
Yeah, fair enough. Yes.
I'm just glad to be inside. Still hot though.
You seriously couldn't have ditched that thing?
No.
Whoa! Oh my. Hey, it's you! Guys, look! It's Captain Sarge! I used to have one of these whenever I was a kid. God, they're a lot smaller than they used to be, though.
I think someone's going crazy.
What did you say?
I said, I think someone's going crazy.
Really? Apologize to Captain Sarge.
I'm so sorry.
Good. He deserves more respect. He was a war hero, you know. There's nothing better to do than talk to little green men.
I think that's just you.
Well, listen, I can't help that Captain Sarge has better conversation skills than all of you all combined, okay?
Is that what he told you?
Yeah, so what if he did?
We're actual people that you can talk to.
Guys?
What is going on?
Ah, come on, we lost our lives!
Come on, man.
I'm not gonna fight.
Who just did that?
It wasn't me!
This is not a joking matter!
It definitely.
Well, it wasn't me either.
Then who did it?
Well, you're the first to deny, so it has to be you.
I didn't do it!
I didn't do it either.
Yeah, I definitely didn't do it. So who did it?
How about less arguing and more confessing?
Guys, but maybe it was Captain Sarge, okay? I said it.
No, it is not Captain Sarge.
Sure,
How do you know?
Because it's not real.
Well, do you have a doctor's degree?
No, but I definitely know that a figure will not cough.
Well, it's not me!
Well, it's not me.
Not me either.
And I'm defending myself.
Okay, someone needs to confess now.
Well, was it you?
No, but I can make sure it's one less option.
Whoa! Listen. It may not have been me, but I definitely know who it was.
Who?
Captain Sarge.
Oh my God, you just stabbed her.
Well, yeah, she was infected. What else was I supposed to do?
How? On what base?
He told me.
That's
He told me it was
insane.
her. Well, she's dead now. There's not much we can do about it.
Oh my God, dude, you can't do that.
Listen, keep that up. It was you did it. You did
It was not.
You know what?
We need to go now.
What about my makeup trunk?
Just leave it. There's people dead.
This is Chris Powell reporting live from downtown Morristown. After 8 long months, they have finally discovered a cure for this virus. And as you can see, people are slowly getting out and about in this town to support local businesses. There have been 8,888 reported deaths from this virus.
So what are you gonna do now that the virus is over?
I'm going to go to Dollywood.